everyone, welcome back. I hope you're doing well. I've got something new. I got sucked in by an influencer. She's great. She teaches makeup tips. I forget her name off the top of my head. If I remember it, I'll say it, but I'll definitely flash her Instagram up on the screen. I found her on TikTok, and she's for mature women, and she's really good. Well, anyways, she was saying how this Doll 10 proven beauty solution, this corrects everything liquid fluid. It has niacinamide, vitamin C, phytocollagen. It blurs, it filters, and it perfects. It acts like a silky filter in a tube. It extends the wear of makeup while also concealing redness and minimizing the appearance of pores, fine lines, and wrinkles for a perfect complexion that lasts. It's a power-packed multitasker that has everything you need in just one step. The skincare makeup hybrid can be worn alone or under other foundation for additional coverage. Well, I have a doctor's appointment today, so I'm just going to wear this alone and see how it looks. Hopefully I don't have to take it off. My shade is Fair Light. Comes in like a tube with a pump. Comes with 1 fluid ounce. Made in Italy. I have high hopes. Looks like that. This cost me about $40 for 1 fluid ounce. I like it. I hate to say it, I like it better than this. I'm still gonna... First impressions of this wasn't good. It showed everything. So I didn't finish the review, so I want to go back and put it on again in the video. And use powder and stuff like that, because without powder or anything, it didn't look good. So I'm going to try to do it another way. We'll see. But I love this. A perfect color match because it blends right into my skin. And doesn't accentuate anything. It blurs the redness and things like that, like it says it does. So its claims are true. What I think is the technology that they have in the higher end brands, they don't have it in drugstore type makeup as of yet. It takes 5 years for a drugstore type, not a drugstore, for a high end makeup, to come down to drugstore, especially in skincare. I think it's the same way in makeup. So it depends on the price point they're at, I think, what determines that. I could be wrong. You can tell me if I'm wrong. But I think the cost of this is prohibited still for a drugstore brand to create something like that. But I like this. All right, I'm going to continue. I'm going to use my Natasha Denona Hypernatural Face Palette. I'm going to put on some bronzer. Take some bronzer and put that in my crease. Try out a different color. I'm going to try this color here, which is a gray type color, Casual. Not bad. Take a small brush. Go into the bronzer and bring it underneath my eyes. There, that evens it out a little bit. I'm not going to use the blush in this. I'm going to use this Patrick Tar trio that no one liked one Christmas. Go into this pink that's called Given Flirty. Into the cream side. Bright and pink. I'm going to go into this highlighter, and that is called Given Glossy. That's just all right. It looks good far away. I don't know, maybe I'm not a makeup, I am a makeup connoisseur. Not bad. And I need mascara. Let's curl the lashes. My lashes are kind of short and they shoot downward. Let's do a lip. This is Muted Mauve by Makeup by Mario. just a pretty lip cream. I think it's a lip cream. Yeah, it is. It's called a Cozy Lip Cream. And it's pretty too. Thank you for everyone for watching. If you like videos like this, consider subscribing. Hit the notification bell. And I'll see you in my next video. I'll also